In supply chain management, the terms forecasting and demand planning are often used together, but they are not the same thing. Let's understand the difference in simple words. Forecasting is about predicting the future. It uses historical sales data, trends, and statistical models to estimate how much of a product will be needed in the future. For example, if a company sold 10,000 shirts last December and sales have been growing 10% every year, forecasting helps predict that about 11,000 shirts might sell this December. So forecasting is mainly a data-driven mathematical process focused on what is likely to happen based on patterns and numbers. Demand planning, on the other hand, is a broader and more strategic process. It takes the forecast and combines it with market insights, promotions, seasonality, customer feedback, and business judgment. For example, if the marketing team is running a buy one, get one offer next month, the demand planner will adjust the forecast to account for the expected sales spike. So demand planning is about making the forecast realistic and actionable, ensuring that supply chain, production, and inventory are aligned to meet that demand. To sum it up, forecasting, predicting what customers might buy. Demand planning, ensuring the business is ready to meet that demand. Forecasting gives you numbers, while demand planning turns those numbers into a business plan. Together, they help companies reduce stockouts, avoid excess inventory, and serve customers efficiently. In short, good forecasting builds accuracy, and smart demand planning turns that accuracy into customer satisfaction.